Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today will be a quick DIY project. One of my daughters, she's putting me to work. She purchased this over-the-door mirror from Target. And of course, it's just plain, it's just basic. She wants me to bling it out. So, I'm going to use some Totally Dazzled bling ribbon to bling this mirror. Alright, so stay tuned. Now this mirror here from Hobby Lobby was our inspiration. This is a beautiful bling mirror, but the price, it was way out of her price range. So we decided to bling out this simple mirror. So guys, I'm going to measure this off. I've already counted across here, and I counted 4 rows over. I'm going to come all the way down with this. Excuse the glue stick there, because I'm going to apply it with glue. And I'm going to measure it all the way down. Excuse the band-aid as well. So I'm going to measure it all the way down. I'm going to get them cut to size, and we're going to go from there. As you can see here, I am applying my hot glue to the frame of the mirror here. Being very careful with this hot glue. And I'm simply laying the bling ribbon there. Very easy project. Making sure it's smooth all the way around. Alright, here it is, the bling mirror, blinged out with Totally Dazzled ribbon. You can kind of see my daughter in the mirror over there. Wave, Kinley. This is for you. How do you like it?
I love it.
Oh, you love it. You love it. Good. There it is. It looks amazing. We actually saw a mirror in Hobby Lobby that she really was eyeing. I'm eyeing it too. But this was just the right way to go. It's very, very pretty. A Totally Dazzled mirror. Alright guys, just a simple project. Just decking out a mirror. This is for her in her room for school, for college. Right? Yeah. Alright. Very simple project. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of this family here just by pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, to click the notification bell up top there so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. You can follow me on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.